Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix friend requests if it's not sending on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, okay, I'm going to show you the ways to fix this. And then I'm going to be showing you, or I'm going to be telling you what are the common causes and its solutions. Okay. So for your device, just go ahead and check your internet if it's properly working. Okay. If you have other Wi-Fi devices, you can go ahead and connect to it, or mobile data. You can go ahead and use mobile data and check if it helps. Okay. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and restart your phone. Restarting may help fix the issue. And once it boots up, go ahead and try to add any person and check if it helps. Okay. Also, you're going to want to make sure that your app is up to date. Go to your Play Store or App Store. Okay. Go ahead and find Facebook like so. And if there's an update button right here, just make sure that you update it. Okay, tap on update, wait for the process to finish, open it up, and check if it helps. Now, for the common issues, okay, or causes why you cannot send a friend request is that you may be, okay, temporarily blocked. As Facebook may temporarily block you or block your account if you sent too many requests quickly. So basically slow down. Okay. If past requests were ignored or marked as unwelcome, or if your activity is deemed suspicious. Okay. So the solution, again, just wait it out. And the block typically lasts from a few hours to a few days. So avoid sending more requests during this period. And also, maybe the recipient's privacy settings is set up this way. You can try adding some other person. Okay. And if it went in, okay, that means that the other person that you're trying to add got some privacy settings set up. So the person you're trying to add may have their settings configured to only accept friend requests from friends of friends, okay? And if you have no mutual connections, well, the add friend button won't appear. And also there are some reasons like you may have reached your limit, okay? Let's say you check your profile. If it says 5,000 in here, well, that's the Facebook standard friend limit, okay? Just for a personal account. If you are using professional mode, well, they can follow you, but your friends can only stay 5,000, okay? And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.